The priorities for Africa in terms of the COP in Brazil, in Belém, one is to ensure that the issue of financing, the 1.3 trillion roadmap, is finalized, but also to ensure that the issues related to global governance adaptation indicators are reflective of what Africa needs, and I just mentioned a few. We need to ensure that the global governance adaptation indicators are linked to financing, capacity building, technology transfer. They do address the needs of the continent. We need to ensure that our discussions on just transition are reflective of what we need. As I said, issues of ensuring that there is access to energy, ensuring that there is support for clean cooking solutions on the continent, but ensuring also any other initiatives of the continent are supported. We need to ensure that NAPs, the National Adaptation Plans, are implemented or implementable. We need to ensure that the NDCs, now we are going towards NDC 3, to ensure that the NDC 3 are not documents on papers, but they are documents which can be implemented. So those are some of the priorities we want to see. But now, talking about what we don't want to see. The debate has been how much resources are coming to the continent. We said, yes, we can mobilize resources to come to the continent. What we don't want to see is to push resource mobilization only towards the private sector and multilateral banks. This has increased the debt burden of the continent. We need to see that the resources coming from the north are much more provided in the context of the Paris Agreement and the Convention. What we don't want to see is to use Africa's natural wealth without paying Africa appropriately for the natural wealth we are providing to support mitigation towards climate change.